Hi everyone, today I'm excited to tell you a bit about a custom order that I did at Uniwigs. This custom order is a cross between the Blake hair topper, which I've already done a review on, which unfortunately is discontinued, and the Hope mono topper with a lace front. So I have both toppers and I've done reviews on both of them. So what I did is, the reason I did this custom order, so you can see, it's synthetic hair in Almond Frost, 16 inches. And it's wavy, just like my Hope mono top hair topper, but it has the Blake cap construction with the silk part. When I did the review of the Hope topper, one of my complaints was I loved the synthetic hair, I love the color, I love the waves, but I didn't love seeing some of the grid lines on the part, as well as I could see the lace where I cut it. It's not really noticeable, but it was noticeable to me. That's why I did a custom order. So synthetic hair with a silk top. And I also love that the Blake hair topper had a clip in the front. Uniwigs is fantastic in terms of doing custom orders. I've done 2 so far, and we'll do them and we'll continue to do it in the future just so that I can get exactly what I want. So let's just line up the part here with my natural hairline. Put in the pressure sensitive clips. This is an 8.5 by 9 inch base, so it's a large base, so I get a lot of coverage. And I put a little bit of dry shampoo in this topper so that some of the shine from the synthetic hair is minimized. It's still a little bit shiny, but I actually like the shine. I'm going to do a turn for you now. I'll just come really close so that you can see that part line. Beautiful, beautiful silk part. This is just a way that I like styling toppers, and that I know in a lot of topper videos, a lot of the ladies will like take some of their bio hair out and they'll comb it forward. Now I don't have a lot of bio hair in the front, but what I find and why I still like to line it up is that even if you get bio hair to come forward, it still doesn't, to me, it doesn't line up with the part. So I'm definitely a big fan, in terms of trying to make my toppers look as realistic as possible, of just getting your topper to line up with where your natural hairline is, and then just putting the clips down there. I personally think that, for me, that looks more natural. And what I also love with this the wavy synthetic hair is it does a really great messy bun in the back. I've done that before when I've gone out sometimes, or a French twist. It looks really nice to wear your topper up as well. Custom orders from Uniwigs to me are fantastic, and I highly recommend, if you're looking for that perfect topper, get a custom order done from Uniwigs. It's not a lot more expensive, and it'll be exactly what you want. Till next time.